Namaskara Bengaluru. You are watching Makemypropertyz weekly news. Minister promises OC relief for rural properties in Bengaluru. Bengaluru residents in Gram Panchayat areas are set to receive relief from the occupancy certificate rule, mirroring exemption granted within Greater Bengaluru limits. MLAs urged Energy Minister K.J. George to extend the waiver, particularly for properties around GBA outskirts, with assurance that the process is underway. Gram Panchayat e-Swathu now compulsory for all property documents. The Revenue Minister said that money should not be wasted in the name of Chief Minister program and time should not be misused. He instructed that every beneficiary who attends the program must be given their property documents, sale deeds and e-Swathu registration without fail. Harohalli Town Panchayat to become a municipality. Harohalli Town Panchayat is now set to be upgraded to a municipality. In the recent cabinet meeting led by Chief Minister Sidramaya, the government decided to change its status from Town Panchayat to Municipal Council. Land acquisition in 9 villages for project near Bengaluru. Land prices expected to rise. Bengaluru and its surrounding areas are growing rapidly. Because of this development, land and property prices in and around Bengaluru have increased significantly. Especially in Bengaluru South, Ramanagara district, land prices have gone up for various reasons. Now due to a major project being implemented in Bengaluru South district, property owners in this region have received good news. These are the real estate update of this week from Bengaluru. See you in the next video with more information. Until then, thank you.